Alright, welcome back to another video of us building a village simulator. In the last episode we had the villager, we got the blueprint, and we got the villager, a little bit of the AI of finding a blueprint and then seeing what resources that blueprint needs, and then finding a storage that would have that resource. If I didn't say this already, this is going to be a long series. But I'm enjoying this. I'm having fun. I hope you are too. Like I said, this isn't really a tutorial, just you watching a programmer program a game. So I created a script here called Takeout, and we're going to use this as an interactable. And this will be used to get the character to take out something from a storage. Okay. So let's see. I don't know if I need any of that. Just delete all this. Let me save that. Let me go to my map manager, because this is where I do all the tasks. So we're going to say, I know the map manager is just going to have a ton of functions, but that's kind of fine. At least I'll know where everything is. This is going to be take out resource. Probably gonna need all of this stuff, maybe. Okay, so technically don't even need this since we have the interactable. We can get game object from there. So this is going to trigger when it goes there. We're going to create a task for taking out the resource. We want to let's see. I think in our storage object we want to do a public maybe not. Dictionary of resources. We need to okay, sorry, just trying to think of how to do this. Like I said, sometimes I don't necessarily plan ahead, just so you can kind of see how I maybe think through things. But basically what it needs to do is it needs to check the storage. Okay, let's do some pseudocode. Check storage has the resource. So probably first thing we need to do is say storage object is equal to the interactable, and we want to change that to a storage object. Okay, so now we have that. So check if the storage has a resource. So if storage object dot resources that contains key, and we're going to do we're doing a character controller. We want to say string. Actually, we want to say villager controller. Village controller is equal to village controller character controller. We could say string resource is equal to the village controller dot target. Right, maybe it's not public. Let's make that public. And then, so the takeout, not takeout. This is going to be the target resource. So this is what the villager is looking for. He's going to take this out. So if we're just going to check that we have that in our dictionary. You do this. Okay, so if we have it, then so we're already there and we see it. We want to take it out. So we need to create the object and carry it. Okay. When we create the object and carry it, we want to, so how are we going to create this? We're going to do a for I, we're going to loop through our, do we have a, this does not have a list of the resources. Just love how we just keep adding to this. That's what we do. Just keep adding. We want a list of resources. And we're going to say resource prefabs. And then back down here. So we're going to loop through the resource prefabs. Okay, just thinking. It's probably an easier way, a better way of doing this. If resource prefabs I dot resource name is equal to resource, we're going to create it. We're going to say game. Let's do another function, public void create resource. We can give it a int resource num, comma, vector to location. Now the reason why I'm doing this is, let's just say I wanted to spawn a resource whenever I want, like as a cheat or something, or this will just add that resource to the map wherever I tell it to. So create the resource and give it to the villager. Game object, we'll say temp geo is equal to instantiate from our resources prefabs the resource num. Okay. We're actually going to return this game object. Return game object or temp. Okay, this should not be a resource. This should be a game object. Game object. Should probably clean this up a little bit. Come down here. Let's see. Instantiate it. Where was I? Down here. Okay. So what we need to do is get component resource resource name is equal to the resource. This is going to create it. This is going to say temp go dot transform dot position is equal to location. Alright, so we're going to do game object source geo is equal to create resource I. And the location is going to, let's just look character or villager. This isn't going to really it's going to create it here. Oh, whoops. Wait, what? Alright, it doesn't really matter. We literally just say vector 0 because it's not going to show it. And then we want to say resource geo dot set active false because we don't want to show it. We just want our villager dot carry object is equal to resource. Okay, so this is going to, all right, we're not done yet. That creates it. Now we're going to remove from the storage. So we're going to say storage resource is minus equal to 1. Or we could have done minus minus. So that should take it out. Now let's go to our interactable objects. Let's do a new case, take out, break. We're going to do this. Let's copy all this. Actually, let's just copy all this. And we're going to change this to take out resource. Okay. So now let's go to our village controller. So we have an action. Let's go to our get task and so let's do this. We're going to return the task. Task manager create interactable shoot. Take out is equal to storehouse dot get component take out. So let's get that component from the storehouse, and instead of saying interactable, we're going to say take out. Take out. Take out. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's go here. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just chop down some wood. Just see that really quick. Let's do let's add a blueprint. Okay, he's not going to it. Let's add the wood. Let's go to the villager. Target resources wood. He's idle. Found the storage. Great task. Alright, Here's why. Let's go to the storage, prefabs. We never added that script. Let's add the takeout interaction. And we want to say take out. Go here, go here, just click here, click there, build that, so add this, and go to my villager. He's not doing anything. I did find a storage with it. Create task, interactable. Am I looking at the right thing? I'm looking at the wrong thing. This says found storage. Oh my word, did I put this in the wrong spot? I did. This is, it found storage to drop it off. Oh man, so this wasn't working. Temp interactable is okay. Let's do a debug here. Let's find out if we're even found a storage for taking out. Just check this first. Whoops, building, click there, click here. Nothing for that. So why not? Hold on, is it even finding this blueprint? Yeah, finds the blueprint. Okay. And then we loop through here. Interactable, temp interactable is equal to temp interactable is interactable I. If temp interactable is a storage object and it's not a interactable, is blueprint. I don't want to do this, but let's just take this out for a sec. Maybe that's not working correctly. Oh, so we got all the way through this thing. But why? I found a blueprint? Oh, right here. I found the blueprint here. Let's go through this. I found a blueprint. It found a storage. Alright, this The given expression is never of the provided blueprint. Found a storehouse with wood. Alright, we're getting close to it. Let's change this to found plus temp interactable. Let's see if that can kind of clue us in on what I think it's finding the blueprint, because remember the blueprint is a storage. There's other ways to do this. We could use tags. Like I could add a tag to these. Yeah, you see? Found a house blueprint with wood, but really there is no wood and there's no takeout thing on it. I mean, we could actually change that. Let's see. This just needs to say how can I say that? And temp interactable is not blueprint. Is not, is that keyword? Well, that. No idea. Maybe that's what it is. That'd be funny. Probably in the last episode, some of you saw it. Oh, what? Okay, let's play it. Some of you probably saw it and were like, hey, I'm supposed to use the word is not. Okay, we're not getting that error anymore. All right, so we're back to this again. Don't want it to take the blueprints. Well, let's think. I want to make sure that it's not, if it is a storage object and it's not a blueprint, because a blueprint is a storage object, but let me just make sure I'm looking through the correct thing. Just looping through all the interactables, saying, okay, here's the interactable of the eye. Oh my word, J. Stupid for loops. Fine. You all saw that, didn't you? Fine, fine, fine. Let's add this. Found a storage for takeout. Oh, that's good. Let's see what happens. Alright. We found the storehouse with wood. But we're doing this wrong. Alright, take out resource. Specified cast is not valid. Interactable. See if it likes that. See, it's going here. We go to a map manager. Those are all the same. Go to the village, who's creating it. Okay, we don't want. All right, dum. I don't know if this is what we have to do. Let's just say temp interactable is equal to interactable. This is weird. Take out. Or whatever, storehouse. Yeah, the storehouse is the storage component. Interactable, take out. No, go back. We want to get the takeout component from the storehouse, and then we want to temp interactable is equal to interactable takeout. Oops. Oh, let's see if that's the problem. It doesn't like, which is kind of weird. I think, whoops, okay, that's fine. Let's go back to this. Let me do it like that, see if that's better. Yeah, sometimes this can get kind of confusing, I guess. Let's see if this works. Still having a problem. Am I just not understanding? Invalid cast exceptions. Specified cast is not valid. Game object resource go. Create resource. That's that. This is taking it out. Interactable. And go to the definition. Blue interactables. We play it. Alright, I'm going to put a pause in the video and I'll try to think about it, see what's maybe wrong. Alright, well, I'll see you next time. Bye.